Hello, my name is Jonathan Chamberlain. I'm with CoolSource and I am the lead developer on CoolSource FormBridge. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up and install CoolSource FormBridge and the web module for PHP BB3, setting up web modules for other form software as well as for the profile fields is a similar procedure with a slight modification. I will do another tutorial in the near future on how to set up CoolSource FormBridge with profile fields. First things first, you have to download the web module as well as the FormBridge. I've already done this, so I'm just going to skip that part. We need to upload the CoolSource FormBridge jar file to our Minecraft server. Generally speaking, you'd be doing this over SSH, SFTP, or FTP to your remote Minecraft server, be it dedicated or shared. But mine, being that I'm in a development environment, is on my machine. So let me just go to where my Minecraft server is stored. And I'm going to drop this in my plugins folder. I already have permissions X configured, and I have hero chat just for the simple fact that it allows me to visually see what group I'm in because of group prefixes and suffixes. Other than that, that's not needed in any way. Once you drop the CoolSource FormBridge.jar file into your plugins folder, you can start your Minecraft server. This will generate the config file as well as the folder that the config file resides in. Once it's started fully and you see that CoolSource FormBridge has been enabled successfully, you can stop your Minecraft server. It's no longer needed right now. We have the config file. We're going to open the config file just to show you what the default config looks like. The default config will not work without modification. We have a webmodules.zip file. If we open that, we will get a webmodules.zip folder. Inside of that folder, we have all of the web modules that are available, as well as the libraries that the web modules require. Let me go to my web server and delete the older version from a past tutorial. I want to do the PHP BB3, and I want to use the username field to store the Minecraft username. To install it, you need to drag the web module you want to use to your web server in a location that you know about, as well as the libs folder. Once that's done, you can close out of this. You can delete both of these files, and you need to open this file with a text editor. And there are a few configuration settings that you need to change. The main one would be your security key. So let me change this. Right now it's not such a big deal. In the future, this plugin will enable you to set form groups from within the server. That's when the security key will be more important, because it'll prevent people from changing your groups without permission. The profile field for your nickname we're not going to talk about in this tutorial because I'm not setting that up in this tutorial. It's a little bit longer. I want to keep this tutorial as short as possible. The next section is your configuration settings for PHP BB3's database. This is needed because there are queries further along that query the database to get the user information, such as groups, etc. You can provide the location of the PHP BB3 config file, and the script will fetch the information it needs from that file. However, you can also, if you feel like it, manually enter the information necessary to connect to your PHP-BB3 database. This is already set. I preset it before, so I'm all set in this file. So let me save this and close out of it. That's all set. We're going to go to our Minecraft plugins folder and edit this config. We're going to change the URL to the URL of the location where the web module is located. We're also going to change the passcode to be the security key. My password was the password we set up in the web module. We're not doing nickname syncing, so I'm going to set that to false. The group map, let me go into how to find the group IDs in PHP-BB3. PHP-BB. You go to your PHP installation, you go to your admin control panel, you go to users and groups, manage groups, and then you hit settings, and then you look at the URL. The number on the end of the URL is the ID of the group you are currently looking at. So in this case, ID 5 would be administrators. So now we have IDs. So let me set up this now. So 5 was administrators. I have a group in permissions X called admin. So that's all set now. We are completely done configuring the plugin. Let's test it to make sure it works. We're going to start our Minecraft server, and then we're going to go join the Minecraft server. Okay, you'll notice that I joined. My group was changed to admin. You'll notice that when I type, my nickname is still the same. That is my username, and I'm in the group admin. That means that the configuration was successful. I will be creating more tutorials in the future, but for now, that's all.